في بيوت أذن الله أن ترفع ويذكر فيها اسمه يسبح له فيها بالغدو والآصال.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The reason why I'm standing in front of you here today making this appeal is because alhamdulillah 10 months ago we were able to purchase the land and the property next door for £500,000. As we now move to the stage of preparing and getting this hall ready to turn into a masjid, we really lack the funds that we require. Previously, over the past 10 years, we've never needed money for maintenance and the upkeep, but because of the debt your masjid has, we're appealing to you. We need to get the lights replaced in this hall, which are not functioning properly. There's some TLC across the building, as you can see, that needs doing before the 16th of February and Ramadan. More importantly, the most important part of a masjid, the carpet here needs replacing, and a quality masjid type of carpet needs fitting. Our PA system, which is a DIY PA system we had 10 years ago, now needs upgrading and professionally fitting. And finally, the windows on our left hand side here, they require some blinds, so in the summer months we don't have issues with delivering services and namaz within the building. Join us in helping to raise £10,000 to convert this hall into the long awaited masjid. Your donation is a sadaqah jariyah, not just for the salah that will take place here, but for all the other activities in the building and in this hall. That includes the Tahfidh al-Quran class, that includes the Birmingham Muslim classes on Saturday, the youth stayovers, i'tikafs that we have, the monthly talks, all in our scales for this donation. Please donate generously.
The Abrahamic Foundation, creating faithful and thriving communities.